Horses out. We've got Kit Katku. Pass to begin. Danori inside Platinum Garden. Moving up Sadar Antares. Take Me Tonight. Wadi Alay Singh and Home Run Last. Sees the early thriller. Kit Katku. Sadar moving up party outside to take the lead. It's now Zadar. Bayaw na Lenka ni Hapa. Kit Katku dress back in second, Platinum Garden in third, Antares is down in fourth alongside Pipa. Ace Take Me Tonight, Wab the Alay Singh and Home Run Last is racing him last. And it's still Zadar by about 2 lengths. Kit Katku now trying to get closer in second, Antares in third. Take Me Tonight alongside fourth, Wadi Alay Singh in Pipa. Then comes Platinum Garden and Home Run Last. Zadar moving up now on the outside is Kit Katku. Kit Katku now takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Zadar draws back in second. Antares alongside third. Moving up by the rail now is Wadi Alay Singh. Home Run Last. As they come down at the last 150. We've got Kit Katku by about 7 lengths. Antares in second. Wadi Alay Singh, Zadar. Last 75 meters we have Kit Katku and finally Kit Katku, Antares. Then comes Home Run Last, close Wadi Alay Singh, Zadar. Then comes Take Me Tonight and Platinum Garden.
Ano sabi ng isang kaibigan natin, yung favorite